Hello, my name is Michael. Today I would like to show you 3 ways how you can make contact with other users of Feek.Live. These 3 ways will help you to make contact with people that have been already signed up on Feek to speak with them in foreign language that you have been learning. First, log in. Fill your username, your password. Press login button. If you want to make a contact with other users of Feek.Live, you have to press community button. Now you can see all the users of Feek.Live that have been already signed up. You can see who is online and who is not. If someone is online, it means that you can make a contact with him immediately. For example, if someone is not your friend yet on Feek.Live, you can invite him to a group of your friends. Let's try it out. Maria, she's not my friend yet, but if I want to add her to a group of my friends, I must press this icon. If someone has already accepted your invitation to a group of your friends, for example like Claudio from Brazil, you can send him a short message. This is the second way how to make a contact with other users on Feek.Live. Now I will show you the quickest way how to make a contact with other users on Feek.Live. This tool is chat. I can chat with everyone, even if it's not my friend. Chat is helpful to make first contact with other users on Feek.Live. You can chat online by writing messages or informations to other users. You can use chat to invite people to your private thematic or even to an open room to speak with them foreign language that you have been learning. So today I have shown you 3 ways how to make contact with other users on Feek.Live. Remember that the chat is the best way to do it. I hope that you will invite a lot of friends and a lot of people to your own video chat rooms to speak foreign language. Use chat. Meet together on Feek.Live. Bye.